In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your file backup settings on Google Drive for desktop, ensuring that your most important files are kept safe while avoiding unnecessary clutter. So let's dive in and simplify your file management process efficiently. To get started, you'll want to open Google Drive for desktop. This is the application on your computer that syncs files between your local device and the cloud, allowing for seamless access and backup. If it's not already installed, you'll need to download it from Google's website and follow the installation instructions. Once set up, open the application. Once Google Drive for desktop is up and running, navigate to the top right corner of the application window. You'll find a gear icon there, which serves as the gateway to your settings. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Preferences. This is where you can customize your backup preferences to better suit your needs, giving you control over which files and folders are backed up to the cloud. Within the Preferences window, turn your attention to the section labeled My Computer. Here, you'll see a list of folders that are currently selected for backup. Typically, these include the desktop, documents, and pictures folders. It's crucial at this stage to take stock of which files you really need to have backed up. Documents are always important, but when it comes to photos and videos, you may want to be more selective, as these can take up significant storage space and may not always be necessary to have backed up automatically. As you identify the folders you want to adjust, you'll notice checkboxes next to each one. These are used to indicate whether a folder is selected for backup. To prevent certain folders from being backed up, particularly those containing photos and videos that you don't need stored in the cloud, simply uncheck these boxes. Remember, this doesn't delete the files from your computer, only removes them from the automatic backup process. Now that you've made your selections, it's time to save the changes. Locate and click the Save button within the Preferences window. This action will apply your new settings and take effect immediately. However, if you ever need to pause or resume the syncing process, for example, if your internet connection is weak or you're working on a bandwidth-intensive task, Google Drive for desktop gives you the option to manage syncing manually. You can do this by clicking on the Drive icon in your system tray and selecting either Pause or Resume Sync. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Google Drive for desktop settings to ensure a more streamlined and efficient backup process. Not only does this help you stay organized, but it also ensures that only the most important files are safely stored, freeing up precious storage space. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime your file management needs change. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.